Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna drive home here from Cub Foods, which is over there. I'll show you in a second. That's Cub Foods right there. I just did some grocery shopping and I'm gonna drive home now. If this is the first time for you to watch or visit my channel, and this is the first time you're watching a video here, give us a thumbs up, like and share, and also leave a comment. Be kind, okay? If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate that. Thank you for your support. All right, this is a short drive from Cub Foods to home, so you know what to do. Subscribe.
Personal dream. Everything you know is in your mind. Are you all my personal dreams?
Alright, once again, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Leave a comment if you want to, and be kind. And See you on the next video. Peace out.